Chucks again, DIY. Just got to repair my daughter's back tail lights. Now I picked these up off Aliexpress. This comes out like this, and you can see them. I thought it went that way, but I think it goes this way, but we're going to learn it really quick because I'm going to turn the other one on. I've already put one in, and that plugs into there. This plugs into the other end. This is on a VW, or Volkswagen, as we say, and we'll have a look. It shoves in there. Doesn't seem to go the other way. Wish they had to put a little bit of something over the top of that, but that's not much you can do about this. These clip in and out using a clip system. The old one, which we have here, has the same connector at the end as on this, and it can fit a couple of different models. I'll list them underneath, and this is just a bulb system. It's had its day, I think. Okay, so the clip system comes in underneath the back of the car, like that. You can see where it is. This thing here on the VW Golf pulls out. You see that? That pulls out, and then you just pop it out. So I found that it was easier just to turn it, so I'll do that. You turn it anti-clockwise and the bulb will come out, and then you'll be able to do it. So turn it anti-clockwise, you end up with the bulb. You need to pull that out and it will leave you with the shroud. So pulling it out, you end up with that shroud. Okay, this will tuck back in. Press that down to lock it in. If you can get it back in. Might not want to. Don't know why, it just don't want, it won't do it. So let's see if we can get it in a little bit further. Oh no, it won't go in. Anyway, it'll fit, it won't come out. Let's just see if that works. We'll turn the lights on and see what goes on. So we've turned that on there. We're going to go and have a look. Okay, look at that. So that tucks back up in there. I know this doesn't shut down. I don't know why it won't shut down, but it just won't. So you just pop it in there like that, and then pop this back in like this. And that's it from me, Chucks, on this one. It's a Golf TSI Golf. Okay, catch you on the next one.